This is the T-Mobile Galaxy S4G, also known as the Samsung SGH-T959v disassembly instructional video, brought to you by CellularDR.com. Professional cell phone repair services performed by factory-trained technicians are available at www.cellulardr.com/repair. The following tools are required for this repair: 000 Phillips screwdriver and plastic prying tool. Begin by removing the battery door, battery, SIM card, and the memory card. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 7 screws from the back of the phone. Using the plastic prying tool, carefully slide and twist all around the phone, separating the front from the back. It is normal for the plastic to make some cracking noises as you're unsnapping and separating the two pieces. But be very careful not to press the prying tool too far in, damaging the internal components of the phone. Also, most of the side buttons will fall out during this process, so be sure to keep track of them and save them for reassembly. Using the prying tool, carefully lift and unsnap the top earpiece speaker flex cable from the board. Do the same for the larger LCD screen flex cable to the left. And now the bottom flex cable. Lift up and gently detach the white antenna cable. Now, using the prying tool, gently lift up the motherboard. Do this very carefully and make sure that you do not damage the power button flex cable on the side. Now we are going to remove the loudspeaker, SIM reader, and camera from the motherboard. Remove the camera assembly by lifting and detaching the flex cable. To remove the loudspeaker and ringer, carefully lift and unlock the small clip holding the flex cable, and from the bottom of the assembly, push up and slide out the cable. Now to remove the SIM reader assembly, flip over the motherboard and lift up under the flex cable, releasing it from the connector. Pry under the shields holding the SIM reader and memory card reader to release it from the motherboard. Now we are going to remove the earpiece flex assembly, which includes the headset jack, earpiece speaker, and ambient light sensor. Carefully pry out the headset jack. But before removing it completely, use your prying tool to get under the flex cable and release the blue tape holding it down. Now carefully pry out the ambient light sensor and the earpiece speaker, which are all connected with the flex cable. Using the prying tool, detach the white coax antenna cable from the LCD assembly. Now simply purchase a new LCD assembly from CellularDR.com and reverse the procedure shown to reassemble the phone. This concludes the disassembly of the T-Mobile Galaxy S 4G, also known as the Samsung T959v. Purchase your original high-quality parts at cellulardr.com. We are the leading national cell phone repair service center in the United States and offer cell phone repair services performed by factory-trained technicians. Go to www.cellulardr.com/repair. Thank you for watching.